Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Fantom chart, which at the time of this recording has lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also lost our key area of support at around the $0.5 mark and also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies between the $0.413 mark and the $0.2741 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.3 mark. And I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we topped in the formation of this wave 1 after seeing a 5 wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.6585 mark. And before I get further into the technical analysis, give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.0867 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fantom to do here on the long-term scenarios. And in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And that Elliot wave structure within the formation of that wave 3 is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out over here, and that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 1-hour chart you can see that after seeing our low at around the $0.3 mark in the formation of that wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.4867 mark and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, managing to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, and then started another massive run up to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is also an impulsive wave, I also expected to see a fractal wave in formation, and that is a 5 wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And you can see that over here I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow, having that is the first wave. Then I expected a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a target area that was not fully maximized. We didn't get into this target area in the formation of this wave 2, and there are chances that the move that we are seeing at the moment is the move that is going to fully maximize our blue target area in the formation of this wave 2 before we can continue with our massive run up in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and then our wave 5 to fully maximize our target areas to the upper side in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3. And getting to show you how I was able to come up with this target area in the formation of this wave 2 using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I was able to come up with that target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, which is a target area that lies between the $0.456 mark and the $0.4375 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fantom to do in the formation of this wave 2. And there are chances that, given that now we have lost a key area of support at around the $0.5 mark, we have also lost the 20-day MA both on the 1-hour chart and also on the 4-hour chart, we are going to continue unlocking lower prices and get into this blue target area. And once we get into this blue target area, then I'll be expecting a reversal to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. So I think this will be another perfect entry to get back into Fantom so that we can be able to ride that bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. We also have a chart pattern that is in formation right here, which is a channel which has continued to be obeyed, giving us more than 3 touch points, and there are chances that in case the breakdown continues, we are going to see a breakout out of the channel to the lower side, and that move, in case the breakout happens to the lower side, that would trigger even lower prices to get us into this blue target area to fully maximize our target areas before we can continue with this impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios here on the Fantom chart. And in case the breakdown continues, my target areas lies between the $0.4563 mark and the $0.4376 mark. And also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported on the RSI. We are trading at around the 45 mark, meaning we can fully support lower prices here on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, and we're also seeing a bit of an increase in the selling momentum, suggesting that lower prices might be coming our way to get us into this blue target area and also give us a breakout out of this channel to the lower side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Fantom chart, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.